Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by charging and updating the G733 so firmware bugs aren't the bottleneck. Once done, plug the wireless dongle into a rear USB 3.0 port. This reduces interference and ensures low latency. Turn the headset on and test the mic mute LED. It verifies the headset is awake. Make sure your PC's default recording device is set to the G733. This prevents apps from grabbing the wrong microphone and saves troubleshooting time later. Next, you dive into Logitech G733 to control gain and processing because raw levels determine clarity. Set mic gain around 50 to 70%. Lower prevents clipping, higher raises presence. Then enable noise reduction and pick or tweak an EQ preset to suit your voice. This is why you get consistent tone. Once configured, test in Windows Sound Recorder and your communication app like Discord or OBS, so you hear the exact chain and can fine-tune instantly. Finish by positioning the boom 1 to 2 centimeters from your mouth, angled slightly to avoid plosives. This improves intelligibility without boosting room noise. Do a final level check. Confirm Windows recording levels and G733 gain match your test recording. If you encounter low volume, revisit those settings and try another USB port. If you get popping or dropouts, move the dongle, remove nearby RF sources, or repair the headset. This single troubleshooting tip usually resolves connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.